Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by proving the system can actually see an Nvidia GPU, and that tooling is ready. First, check kernel and distro. Mismatched headers break drivers. Install LSBCI and Ubuntu drivers, or your distro's equivalents, so commands work. Once done, close heavy GUI apps and open a terminal or SSH. This reduces conflicts and puts you in a consistent environment. You need these steps done now, because detection relies on kernel-visible hardware and accessible package metadata. Now detect the GPU and which driver packages your distro recommends. Run LSBCI NNK to get PCI ID and kernel driver info. That tells you exactly which Nvidia chip is present. Next, run Ubuntu drivers devices or Nvidia detect to produce candidate package names and versions. Those tools read PCI ID against a compatibility list. Check elsmod to see if a driver is already loaded, and try Nvidia SMI to confirm a functional driver. These steps narrow choices and explain why a particular package. Install the recommended package via your package manager and reboot so kernel modules load cleanly. After reboot, verify with Nvidia SMI and GL's info to confirm GPU and GL vendor match Nvidia. Check dmesc for module messages. If detection fails, the most common cause is a kernel module mismatch. Make sure kernel headers match your running kernel, rebuild DKMS modules, and blacklist the Nouveau driver if it conflicts. That single troubleshooting tip, rebuild modules and confirm headers, fixes most auto detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.